Forgot your iPhone passcode? After entering the wrong passcode too many times, your iPhone may become unavailable or even permanently locked. The good news is, you can still regain access to your device. In this video, I'll show you 4 effective ways to unlock your iPhone if you've forgotten the passcode, including methods that work with iOS 27. Let's get started. Method 1. Unlock iPhone via Erase iPhone button. If your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later, you can reset it using your Apple ID password. No computer needed. First, keep entering the wrong passcode until you see iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or forgot passcode on the screen. Next, tap Erase iPhone or Forgot Passcode, then select Start iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your account. Finally, tap Erase iPhone to reset your device. Once it's done, you can set it up again, or restore your data from a backup. Method 2. Erase your iPhone with iCloud. If Find My iPhone was enabled before your iPhone was locked, you can remotely erase the device and remove the screen passcode. Here's how. Open a web browser and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with the same Apple account that's linked to your locked iPhone. Click Find My, select your locked iPhone, and click Erase. After the erase process is complete, your iPhone will restart. You can then set it up as a new device or restore it from a previous backup. Keep in mind that this method will erase all data on your iPhone. Method 3. Restore your iPhone with Finder, Apple devices, or iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer and put it into recovery mode. Then open Finder on a Mac or Apple devices or iTunes on a Windows PC. Once your iPhone is detected, select your device and click Restore iPhone. Your computer will download the latest iOS version, erase your iPhone, and remove the forgotten passcode. Method 4. Unlock with TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. What if you also forgot your Apple account password? Or maybe your screen is broken, Face ID isn't working, or you simply can't use Apple's official methods. In that case, TunesKit iPhone Unlocker is a reliable solution. It's fully compatible with the latest iOS 27 and can remove the screen lock even if you've forgotten your passcode. Simply download and install TunesKit on your computer, connect your iPhone, and choose Unlock iOS Screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into recovery mode or DFU mode. Once your device is detected, confirm the device information and download the required firmware package. After the download is complete, click Unlock. A few minutes later, your iPhone will be unlocked and ready to set up again. The clean interface makes the whole process easy, even for first-time users. So those are 4 effective ways to unlock an iPhone if you've forgotten the passcode. If those methods aren't available, or you've forgotten your Apple account credentials, TunesKit iPhone Unlocker offers a quick and beginner-friendly alternative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.